Yeah. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna basically be telling y'all how I specifically make money offline, um, and how easy it is and simple it is. Just click the link below, and there'll be more details down there, and it will give you a tutorial on how exactly to do it. But I'm gonna give you a brief little run over, basically. So basically, all you want to do is click the link below, and then you want to sign up with your actual email and use a password that you'll remember. And also after that, you would complete like tasks like downloading other apps, and doing basically doing uh, what they call like um, basically completing app or complete. I'm sorry, completing like completing anything really. They have tons of options that you could choose from. Just look in the link below. Thanks.